The concept of simple veganism emerged from early dietary preferences and health concerns, dating back to the 19th century when individuals began adopting diets that excluded animal products for various reasons, including ethical considerations towards animals and perceived health benefits. The diet gained traction during the mid-20th century, with movements such as Vegetarianism International Year of Vegan Food in 1944, which highlighted vegan principles like minimal food waste and sustainable sourcing. Key developments included the establishment of organizations dedicated to promoting plant-based diets globally. For example, the United States Department of Agriculture issued dietary guidelines recommending a vegetarian diet in 1973, while India's National Institute of Nutrition launched research on plant-based nutrition in 19. The early 21st century saw significant advancements with technological improvements enabling faster and more efficient food processing for vegan products. By 2010, global sales of plant-based meat alternatives surpassed 4 billion, reflecting the growing demand among consumers seeking healthier, environmentally friendly, and animal-friendly options. Simple veganism has had measurable impacts on societies, economies, and industries. In terms of health outcomes, a study published in The Lancet found that adhering to a vegan diet could reduce risks of cardiovascular diseases by 30% due to lower levels of saturated fat intake. Meanwhile, another research estimated annual savings from reduced healthcare costs for chronic conditions like diabetes at $2 annually. Economically, the plant-based sector is projected to grow by 8% annually through 2025 as demand continues to rise, creating new job opportunities and stimulating innovation in food technology sectors. However, simple veganism also presents challenges such as nutritional deficiencies without proper planning, particularly concerning protein intake from non-animal sources. Furthermore, the production of plant-based products may still contribute to deforestation if not sustainably sourced, posing environmental risks. Looking ahead, AI-driven insights are expected to continue optimizing dietary recommendations and product development for a more diverse range of simple vegan options, catering to various cultural and personal preferences, while ensuring sustainability through advanced supply chain management practices. By 2050, the global adoption rate is projected to increase from current estimates by up to 1/3, driven by continued advancements in sustainable food technologies, coupled with increasing consumer awareness about health benefits and environmental impacts associated with plant-based eating habits.